Hello students, welcome back to the channel, and today we are just going to perform the indicated operations and simplify the rational fraction. Simply simplifying the fraction by performing the indicated operation. Like consider an example like of example number 1 plus 2x divided by 1 minus 2x whole minus 1 minus 2x over 1 plus 2x. So if we are going to perform that 1 plus 2x 1 minus 2x minus 1 minus 2x over 1 plus 2x, we have to take the LCM of the denominator, which will be 1 minus 2x into 1 plus 2x. Now multiply this with this whole with this 1 plus 2x whole square minus 1 minus 2 of x ka whole square. Now open this square as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. It will be minus for the minus 1 and plus for the plus 1. Now performing the next one, 1 square plus 2 into 2x into 1 plus 2x whole square minus 1 square minus 2 into 2x into 1 plus 2x whole square. Now the denominator will be a formula like a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. It will be 1 square minus 2x whole square. Now performing the next one, the work will be goes like 1 plus 4x plus 2x square minus 1 minus 4x plus 2 to the 4 2 to the 4, and here it is 4x square the whole divided by 1 minus 4x square. What if we just solve it further? We have to multiply this minus inside of this bracket, and the next will be 1 plus 4x plus 4x square minus 1 plus 4x minus 4x square whole divided by 1 minus 4x square. Now we can see that we have some same quantities with the opposite sign which can be cancelled out with each other. Here it is 1 minus 1 0, 4 plus 4x and plus 4x is equal to 8x, and plus 4x square minus 4x square will be cancelled out, and it will be 4x plus 4x 4x plus 4x divided by 1 minus 4x square. It will be 8x divided by 1 minus 4x square. This will be the final answer for the question. And here if we don't know about how to take the LCM of these denominator, I will show you in the next lecture. And goodbye for the time being, and laugh.